This is how to send files to someone on Telegram, okay, via the mobile app. First is to get to the Telegram app and tap on it. As the app opens, ensure that you are on the charts, alright? Then the next step is to scroll down to the contact name you want to send the file to. On getting to the contact on the list, tap on the name. This will open the chat area. Now take a look at the left part. You will see files icon, which is like spring. Just tap on that. Alright, on tapping on that, you'll be dropped in the photos folder, which you can call the gallery, okay, the photos app. Now, the first one shows the camera of your phone, what is capturing. Your camera is turned on now, so any position you place it, it captures the item. That's the first on the list. Then the other ones are the pictures and video you recently recorded on your phone. Now take a look at the bottom part. You can see gifts, you can see wallet, you can see files. Maybe there is a file on your phone that you want to attach. You want to send to the person, taps on the file option. You are taken to this page and you are provided with some options. Select from gallery and select from files. Let's say you want to send files like documents file, PDF file, and the rest. So you have to go with the option of select from files. Don't mind these things that are happening here. Try to prevent what we want to see. But that's the second option. I'll tap on that. Then this opens the files app of my iPhone, displaying some files. Alright, if you are taken to another location inside the files app, just get to the location you want to pick the file from. So there are PDF files here, there are documents files and different types of files, alright? So tap on the file you want to send. Let me go with the PDF file here, so I will tap on it. As it is selected, if you want to select more, keep tapping on more files. But I'm okay with one in this case. So tap on the open button, which is at the top right. On tapping on the open button, you can see the file has been sent to the person.